We're looking at an image from the London Illustrated News with the title, "A Chaldean City Charted from the Clouds." With the mandate, they began extensive surveys from the skies, and part of that surveying was to look at archaeological sites as well. And this image is particularly nice because it marries together the obsession with the ancient past of Mesopotamia, the archaeological past, and the use of air power, the use of the airplane as this ultra-modern technology and vehicle for actually understanding and cataloguing the past. So it's really these two things, this cataloguing and capturing of the past with the aircraft and with photography, that makes this image particularly interesting.
So it's also like very colonial in the sense that like the past can be recovered, the ancient past, the cradle of civilization. So this is the ways in which they speak about Mesopotamia. So starting from the early 20th century, British agents, traders, experts, and tourists, they go to Mesopotamia and write about Mesopotamia, but always in this mythic manner, like, the cradle of civilization, all those wonderful things happened there. But then what is happening now is just like it became so backwarded because of like Ottoman barbaric, governance. So they need to save this area from the savages with their civilization, their liberalism. They will just bring the area to where it deserves. Someone like Mark Sykes, for instance, who have been incredibly significant in delineating the borders and the sort of like the fate of Middle East in these years, like had a travel around Mesopotamia, and then he wrote a report and he talks about like this region is just wonderful, but like it's like an empty space. So there is no civilization, there is no state, right? It needs to be governed by a modern humanitarian state like Britain. So that's also the image talks to you about this, like how the past, the wonderful, glorious past, and then today's modern technology can be merged together. And there is this contrast, obviously.